Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Janitor AI with DeepSeek. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open your preferred browser and search for Open Router. Open the website and either sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. Once you are logged in, go to the top right corner, click on your profile and open Settings. Inside the settings, go to the API keys section. Here you need to create a new API key. Click on Create API Key, then give your key a name, for example, Janitor AI. You can also set a credit limit, choose when it resets, and decide whether you want an expiration date or not. After filling in the details, click Create. Once the key is created, copy the API key, because you will need it later in Janitor AI. Before leaving Open Router, go to Account section, and here, scroll down to the Default Provider section. Click on Open. Here, you need to set the default model to DeepSeek. Click on Search Models, then type DeepSeek, and select the model you want. You can choose any available version, but many people select the DeepSeek free model. After selecting it, save the settings. Now, simply go to top right and click on Model section at the top. Here, search for your model, and once it appears, click on it to get its information. Now, open Janitor AI in your browser. Once you are on the Janitor AI dashboard, look at the top right corner and click on Using Janitor. Inside the API settings, select Proxy and then click on Add Configuration. Here, you will need to fill in a few details. First, enter a name for the configuration, such as Janitor Proxy. Next, enter the model name, which should be the same DeepSeek model you selected in Open Router. Then add the proxy URL and finally paste the API key that you copied earlier from Open Router. After entering all the details, you can optionally add a custom prompt if you want to modify how the AI responds. Once everything is filled in, click Add Configuration. After the configuration is added, Janitor AI will start using the DeepSeek model through the Open Router proxy. You can now open any chat or character in Janitor AI and start using it normally with the DeepSeek model. After completing these steps, Janitor AI and DeepSeek should be connected and ready to use. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Janitor AI with DeepSeek. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.